In the sprawling, shadow-drenched city of life, where dreams are the currency and ambition the flickering streetlights, there are unseen forces at play. They don't announce their arrival with blaring sirens or shattering glass. No, they are the silent destroyers, the quiet saboteurs of human potential. They move through the back alleys of your mind, subtle thieves in the night, stealing the blueprints of the masterpiece you were meant to be. They are the unseen culprits in the unsolved case of a life half-lived. The first accomplice is a modern menace, a digital ghost in the machine, mindless scrolling. You see a figure slumped in the dim glow of a screen, thumb moving in a hypnotic, endless rhythm. The world outside fades to a blur as the digital river flows, carrying away precious minutes, then hours, into an ocean of insignificance. It's a sweet, numbing poison, a self-inflicted blackout that leaves your aspirations gathering dust in the corner. Each swipe is a small surrender, another moment sacrificed at the altar of distraction. Next in the lineup is the master of delay, the artful dodger known as procrastination. A desk is piled high with important tasks, a calendar marked with looming deadlines. The protagonist is elsewhere, staring out a window, organizing a bookshelf that's already perfect, promising, "I'll do it tomorrow." But tomorrow never comes, and the weight of undone things grows heavier, a chain forged link by link with every postponed action. Then comes the most insidious of them all, the voice that whispers from the shadows of your own mind. Negative self-talk. It's the phantom critic who replays your every mistake, who tells you you're not smart enough, not talented enough, not worthy. We see a person looking into a mirror, but their reflection is distorted, sneering back with all their deepest insecurities. This inner saboteur works from the inside, eroding confidence until the very foundation of your self-worth begins to crumble. We find another operative working under the cover of darkness, a chronic lack of sleep. The scene is a bedroom, bathed in the pale blue light of 3 a.m. A figure tosses and turns, mind racing, unable to find the off switch. Sleep isn't a luxury. It's the nightly repair crew for your body and mind. Deprive yourself of it, and you're sending your best workers home, leaving your mental machinery to rust and break down. Clarity, creativity, and resilience all vanish like steam in the cold night air. Don't forget the fuel you run on. A poor diet is a slow, methodical poison. A montage of greasy fast food, sugary drinks, and processed snacks flashes by. It's the equivalent of pouring sludge into a high-performance engine. The result is a fog of fatigue, a lack of focus, and a body that protests with every sluggish movement. Lurking in every corner is the paralyzing agent of fear, specifically the fear of failure. A hand hovers over a submit button but can't press it. An artist stares at a blank canvas, terrified to make the first mark. It builds a cage of what-ifs, trapping potential inside, convincing you that the safety of the starting line is preferable to the uncertainty of the race. Finally, there's the thief of joy, comparing yourself to others. A person scrolls through a curated feed of perfect lives, flawless victories, and effortless successes. With each image, their own world seems to dim. This comparison is a rigged game, a distorted lens that magnifies the achievements of others while minimizing your own. It turns a unique journey into a bitter competition you can never win because you're not running their race. They are not external monsters, but internal phantoms we invite in. They are the habits that chip away at our resolve, the routines that drain our energy, the mindsets that clip our wings. But recognizing them is the first step in the fight. To name them is to gain power over them. The case isn't closed. It's time to turn on the lights, to face these culprits, and to reclaim the stolen future they've been trying to keep from you. Don't let it become another cold case file.